C, D, E, F, G. A is for alligator, ant, aloe, acorn, avocado. B is for bee, bluebell, boat, balloon. C is for camel, cactus, car, cherry, chicken. D is for deer, donut, dinosaur, duck, dolphin. E is for emu, eggplant, echidna, earth, elephant. F is for fox, fly, fire, fig, fish. G is for giraffe, gnome, gorilla, guitar, goose. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. H is for hen, hippo, house, heron, honey. I is for iguana, igloo, iron, island, insect. J is for jaguar, jellyfish, jug, jumper, juice. K is for koala, kitten, king, key, kiwi. L is for lion, ladybug, llama, lime, leaf. M is for monkey, mouse, moss, mittens, moon. N is for narwhal, nut, needle, night, net. O, P, Q, R, S, T. O is for owl, olives, ox, octopus, oil. P is for polar bear, panda, plane, penguin, pepper. Q is for quokka, quail, quill, queen, quartz. R is for rhino, rain, rabbit, rainbow, raccoon. S is for seagull, seal, sheep, snail, sun. T is for tiger, tulip, tortoise, teapot, tooth. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U is for wakari, umbrella, unicorn, Uranus, ukulele. V is for vulture, volcano, vest, vacuum, violin. W is for walrus, wolf, wheel, whale, watermelon. X is for Xmas, xymenia, xylophone, box, X-ray. Y is for yak, yam, yogurt, yoga, yarn. Z is for zebra, zucchini, zipper, zoologist, zomble. Thanks for watching. Please join our family, Fantasy Preschool ABC Kids.